Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Maoyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip-fast 100% watt syakmat bercedian, blind view monitor, bagi-wei. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke berjam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Ka Nips Hotel Management ka Shilam Aji kay kapatid hakasinong Nongmensong katat Shillong haka laiterik unailar arjar penrio kala rakhi yaka foundation di bat Pdiang Burom yaki Samla Pule ki batamai ki ban sasha ahi kay pentibet haka Hotel Management nakani ka Shilam Pule haka ni ka sinilay don ringkat lang nadu ki Nongtrei jongka Vivanta Polo Towers Center Point kentubru ki Nongtrei jongka Nips Hotel Management Kidon kumba saup sangut ki Samla shenrang bat kentai ki bansa yo ya ki jingkai pentibet ha kan ikasilam.
Please. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Titik janang tanang dugo Odun Utam ya sunmen Kupang sa syabandeng Kasirukin laweng itlatan Hemray rilum waktuka Daki shimenta Kondari iron sin Maka berkat nilong lim Dehanin ulak kerja Senteling un problem ka Order ka
I'm just here to extend my gratitude for inviting us, Vivanta. Okay, it's been an honor for us to be here. So this is the second time, as Sir Simang have told us, that second time foundation. I will be always here if I'm in Ceylon. Okay, so Simang sir, please don't forget. And your seniors are there in hotel in Vivanta, been part of us. Okay, they have been very hardworking. They have been doing really great. Few of them have got already placement there. Okay, so my suggestion to you is that please focus on your learning. Don't make mistake. Okay, hospitality needs a lot of patience. If you are not patient, you will not be able to success.
It comes through hard work, consistency, and never give up. One lesson I've learned is that no job is ever too small. Whether you're polishing glasses, serving guests, or making cocktails, do every task with pride because those small moments build your future. To all of you, I'd like to say this: stay curious, keep learning, work hard, and believe in yourself. Success takes time, and if you remain dedicated, opportunities will come.
The tourism department in Meghalaya is booming, and there's a great opportunity for all of you to experience, to live your life in the hospitality sector. We'll be having many five-star hotel in Meghalaya. It's a great opportunity, and I think this is the right year that you are in, studying a hotel management school where it will be very fruitful for you. Before we have to travel to different part of the state to get an experience, but over here the government of Meghalaya, I believe, is doing a great job in promoting hospitality.
Give up after industrial training. Like when they go there, they see the hard life of the hotel industry, and when they come back, they quit. So give yourself a little bit of time, have patience inside you, yeah. the thing inside you that if you're scared to talk to people, mingle with people, that thing should come out from your heart, yeah? That will make you more strong. As our industry is like, you have to be very presentable. No? Like for example, if you're there sitting in the interview room or group discussion room everywhere, you have to be like very presentable, very talkative.
From the very first day, our teachers made us feel comfortable and encouraged us to believe in ourselves. They are always supportive, patient, and understanding. Whenever we have doubts, they are ready to guide us and they motivate us to improve, not only academically, but also personally. Their encouragement has helped us become more confident every day. Our learning goes beyond textbooks. Theory classes, we understand the concepts of the hospitality industry, while practical classes allow us to develop the skills required to become future professionals. Every practical session has taught us the importance of discipline, teamwork, precision, and attention to detail.
Compromise, right? Because what, to get success, you have to face the problem. Without facing the problem, you won't get success. Experience is the what? Through the experience where you will be getting skill, knowledge, and this is the key of your success. Don't concentrate on the job. Try to do something unique. Try to research how to make it fun. If otherwise, sometimes if drop the hotel, what you say, to work in the hotel, go to some kind of factory, that which is Jewish factory, company, something. You will never get success without hard work. If you are not doing hard work, means this is dead body.
Pidang dukan marbam, ndai. Compare la kabarin, kapapidi harut surok ni kabahe, kum ki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti shat kiek, bat kiway, na kabenta kakoy kakya chonggi pat ba nong bam nong di. Pat ba pinyo kaching shania, naki, pidon kam bandon deka license kapapaka, kabala itu da kaan, kata, ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril, link back section, lai puwe, iwe. Kamde ka ba bapinyo ka license, pila ba na-apply ko online, link ba ko website, foscas.fssai.gov.in, da ka ba pihap pan-upload ru, ikot kisla ba don kam, kat kum ka judging kam, jong pi. Pilaru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan Megalaya lat no tang is kasihers pila benlet bed yak office terekam Jongki ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan Halowa lachumya nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat belakershan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya. Ka we kathem artli ki jala. Ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phaudli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant. Hang ta kadon ke air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinrai ka jingmi cha bo ka ya pher de na ka ta ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan